Now, I know you have seen a lot of morning routines that involves you getting on the floor and do your stretches. But a lot of my patients in the clinic are not able to get on the floor because of certain conditions. And if you're in the same boat, then this is the right place for you. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 stretches that I recommend my patients to do every morning without getting on the floor. And when you do these stretches, you're gonna open up your body, feel looser, and breathe better. So let's get right into it. So the first stretch that I want you to do is the Cobra Pose. But let's lie down. So when you're on your stomach like this, I want you to press up on your hands. Like this. And when you're pressing up, I want you to look up and make sure your hips are on the bed. You're not lifting them up like this. Now, if you're tight and you cannot get them relaxed so much, that's okay. Just breathe and relax. Hold this for 5 to 10 seconds. Then you come down and then you do it again. You want to do this for a total of 10 repetitions. Make sure that you're not feeling any increase in pain on your lower back or on any part of your body. You should just be feeling a nice, gentle stretch. Now, the second stretch that I want you to do is a modified child's pose. And to do that, I like to get onto the side of my bed. And then I want you to lean back. Make sure your hands are on the bed and you're going to be stretching them out. So you're leaning back and stretching your arms out like this. Make sure you get some nice gentle stretch on the side of your lats here. Hold it for 5 to 10 repetitions. And then you relax, come back, and you do it again. Make sure you breathe in and out as you relax. And you come back and then you repeat that for 10 repetitions. If you're starting to feel looser, click that subscribe button. The next stretch that I want you to do is a standing extension stretch. I want you to stand up straight like this and then put both hands on the buttock area, and I want you to slowly and gently lean back. You're gonna stretch back as far as you can. Hold 5 to 10 seconds and then come back and do that again. Slowly and gently lean back. You're gonna feel the stretch on your abdominal area and stretch on your hip flexors. Hold 5 to 10 seconds again. Relax and then come up. And I want you to repeat that 10 times. Now that you've done those stretches to open up your body, it is key to maintain them throughout the day. Watch this video here to learn how to do that.